A platform is a plug-and-play business model that allows multiple participants, producers and consumers, to connect to it, interact with each other, and create and exchange value. External producers connect to the platform to create value on the platform. Consumers connect to the platform to consume this value and provide some form of currency in exchange. You will note that this changes the very design of the business model. While pipelines created and pushed value out to consumers, platforms allow external producers and consumers to exchange value with each other. In this new design of business, the firm is no longer the producer of value. Instead, the platform business model performs two primary functions. First, it provides an open, participative, plug-and-play infrastructure for producers and consumers to plug in and interact with each other. And second, it curates participants on the platform and governs the social and economic interactions that ensue. Let's take a few examples to illustrate this. eBay connects sellers with buyers, YouTube connects video creators and video viewers, and Uber connects drivers to riders. eBay provides the marketplace and the payments infrastructure, while YouTube provides the video hosting infrastructure, and Uber manages the matching algorithms that ensure that passengers are matched to the most relevant driver and car with the shortest waiting time. All three platforms also manage the governance of interactions on their respective ecosystems. Finally, the platform's goal is to enable interactions between producers and consumers in its ecosystem. A successful platform constantly improves the efficiency and repeatability of these interactions. To recap, a platform connects producers and consumers of value and enables them to participate in value exchange interactions. For this, it provides an open infrastructure for these actors to connect to and manages the governance of the interactions that ensue. The platform's goal is to enable interactions between producers and consumers in its ecosystem.